Should I take these hammocks out and put in a massage chair? I've been renovating this house to list on Airbnb. And while we have a couple bookings, it's just not nearly as booked as our other properties. I thought I would just come in here and do a few little updates to make it better. Like I'm gonna make that a gallery wall, which I had intended to do the whole time. I still need to do those bookshelves. This room is pretty awesome. I don't know if there's, other than adding more stuff to the bookshelves here, I don't know if there's anything else I could add to make this room better. Yes, my design here is a little crazy and it's definitely not for everybody, but I do think that it should appeal to a certain group of people. Like, it's fun, right? And I definitely should fix that. But massage chairs are pretty expensive and I do like the hammocks, so I don't want to incur the expense if you don't think it will help. Would knowing that there was a massage chair at a property influence your opinion to rent it? Would you be more likely to book that house? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.